I have some great news here. Scientists actually in England have announced that they have found two very important gas in the atmosphere of Venus. Now, these gases basically, if you have these gases in the atmosphere, you have life. Some form of life was on Venus. Is either they said the possibility of life is there. Now listen up carefully, guys. Venus is a very hot planet. The surface of Venus can actually melt lead. And I know this is crazy, but they have found ammonia and phosphine. Now let me break it down. Ammonia basically, it's a gas and it's in the clouds of Venus. Ammonia is present on Earth for the environment, because what use ammonia is like anything that breathe oxygen need ammonia is there for anything that is actually using oxygen in any way. Any creature on Earth that uses oxygen, ammonia is going to be present. Okay, that's just part of the ecosystem here on this planet. So that's the reason why that gas is found heavily on this planet. Now, phosphine is basically another gas that is found in a oxygen-starved environment. When you have an environment that require oxygen and it's not getting enough oxygen, you will find a gas that is called phosphine. Phosphine. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but that's how it's spelled, phosphine. So basically, anywhere you find ammonia, there is critters or creatures or whatever, something there, you need oxygen. And wherever you find phosphine, it's basically that area is being starved of oxygen. Now, it's not something the scientific world want to accept. They really don't want to accept it. Now, basically, what I think it is that at one point in our past, the oxygen was heavily on Venus. I don't know how long ago in the past it was, but for you to have these two type of gases on a planet tells me that ecosystem had oxygen on critters or whatever you want to call them that use this form of gas. All right, guys. Now this is basically shattering the scientific world. I mean, it's something that I really don't want to accept, but I'm giving you guys facts here because this was announced in the UK couple days ago, maybe 2 days ago. I thought it was interesting when I read the article, and to see that they found these two gases, which is ammonia and phosphine, in the atmosphere of Venus. It's basically telling us at one point in the past, Venus was flourishing with life. And what they're also saying, there could be some possibility of life on Venus that we are not aware of. That's why these gases are actually there in the clouds. Okay, but the phosphine, whenever sun rises on Venus, wherever get the sun, it destroyed the phosphine so fast in the atmosphere, and within seconds. So you can only find the phosphine in the atmospheric layer of Venus at night. It's in abundance, but during the daytime, wherever the sun is at, it's destroyed very quickly. And I hope this video was interesting, but it was an interesting article, and this is facts, guys. I'm not making it up.